In the nascent days of the American oil industry, a company would emerge from the oil fields of Pennsylvania, destined to become a titan in the world of energy. This company would go on to redefine the global energy landscape, setting new standards and practices that would influence the industry for generations. That company was Standard Oil, founded in 1870 by the ambitious John D. Rockefeller and his associates, who shared a vision of a unified oil industry. Rockefeller, a shrewd businessman, recognized the vast potential of the burgeoning oil industry and sought to harness it. With the discovery of crude oil in Pennsylvania in 1859, a frenzy of activity erupted, attracting entrepreneurs and investors from all over. Rockefeller's vision was to consolidate the fragmented oil industry under one banner, creating a more efficient and powerful entity. Driven by this ambition, Rockefeller meticulously studied the industry, identifying inefficiencies and opportunities for growth. With each strategic move, he laid the foundation for Standard Oil's unparalleled success, transforming it into a global powerhouse. John D. Rockefeller's journey to industrial dominance began humbly in upstate New York, a region known for its picturesque landscapes and hardworking communities. Born into modest circumstances, Rockefeller's upbringing instilled in him the values of hard work, perseverance, and frugality. His family struggled financially, which taught him the importance of saving and investing wisely. These traits proved invaluable as he navigated the complex and often cutthroat world of oil. He learned to seize opportunities and make calculated risks. Rockefeller's early career was marked by shrewd business ventures, honing his skills as a bookkeeper. This role gave him a keen understanding of financial management and business operations. The discovery of crude oil in Pennsylvania in 1859 marked a significant turning point in Rockefeller's life. It was an era of rapid industrialization and innovation. Recognizing the transformative potential of this new energy source, he shifted his focus to the oil industry, laying the groundwork for what would become a monumental empire. From its humble beginnings, Standard Oil embarked on a path of aggressive expansion. Through shrewd business tactics and innovative practices, the company rapidly outmaneuvered its competitors. Rockefeller's key strategy was to control as much of the oil refining process as possible. By dominating refining, Standard Oil could exert significant leverage over its rivals. Through strategic acquisitions and mergers, the company became the largest oil refiner in the world. Rockefeller invested heavily in new technologies and infrastructure such as pipelines and tankers. Central to Standard Oil's dominance was its pioneering implementation of vertical integration. This strategy involved gaining control over every stage of the oil production process. By owning and operating its own pipelines, railroads, refineries, and distribution networks, Standard Oil could dictate prices. This vertical integration gave Standard Oil a significant competitive advantage. By controlling the entire supply chain, the company could reduce costs and improve efficiency. This practice, while criticized by some, was a testament to Rockefeller's business acumen. Standard Oil's influence extended far beyond the borders of the United States. Its kerosene lamps illuminated homes across Europe and Asia, while its lubricants kept industry turning worldwide. As Standard Oil expanded overseas, it faced competition from established European oil companies. However, Rockefeller's pursuit of efficiency allowed Standard Oil to capture a significant share of the global market. This global expansion had profound implications for the world economy. Standard Oil's success fueled the growth of the American economy, making it a major player on the world stage. Despite its success, Standard Oil's monopolistic practices attracted growing scrutiny. Public sentiment turned against the company, fueled by concerns over its unchecked influence. This mounting pressure culminated in a landmark legal battle. In 1911, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that Standard Oil violated the Sherman Antitrust Act. This decision led to the breakup of Standard Oil into 34 smaller companies. The successor companies, such as ExxonMobil and Chevron, remain among the largest and most influential corporations in the world. The breakup of Standard Oil did not erase its impact on the global oil industry. Its influence is still felt today, shaping the way modern oil companies operate and compete. Many of the successor companies inherited the legacy of efficiency, innovation, and global reach. These traits have allowed them to thrive and expand in an ever-evolving market. These companies continue to be major players in the global energy market. They have adapted to new technologies and changing geopolitical landscapes, ensuring their relevance. The influence of Standard Oil can be seen in the structure of the modern oil industry. Its pioneering strategies set the foundation for today's corporate giants. Many of the practices pioneered by the company are now commonplace in the industry. Techniques such as vertical integration and large-scale production have become standard. The lessons learned from the Standard Oil case continue to resonate in antitrust law and corporate regulation. These lessons serve as a reminder of the balance between corporate power and public interest. The story of Standard Oil is filled with both remarkable achievements and controversial practices. While the company's monopolistic behavior led to its downfall, its impact on the modern oil industry is undeniable. Standard Oil's pioneering use of vertical integration and its global reach revolutionized business. The company's legacy continues to be felt today, influencing countless companies. The story of Standard Oil serves as a reminder of the transformative power of innovation. It offers valuable lessons for entrepreneurs, business leaders, and anyone interested in the history of American capitalism. Like and subscribe to emgotv1 for more stories.